Casa Oasis 93, a stunning residential project by Central de Proyectos SCP, located in the warm city of Mérida, Mexico. Designed in 2024, this 379 square meter home captures the essence of tropical living through simplicity, openness, and a deep connection to nature. From the street, the house presents itself as a monolithic structure, minimal, solid, and mysterious. Yet once you step inside, it reveals a soft, serene world filled with natural light and greenery. The design of Casa Oasis 93 begins with a clear spatial strategy that organizes the home into distinct zones for living, service, and transition. Public areas like the living and dining rooms are placed toward the lush vegetation of the site, allowing for beautiful views and generous cross-ventilation. Meanwhile, service areas act as visual buffers, protecting the home's privacy from the surrounding properties and filtering how light and wind move through the structure. Circulation through the house feels like a journey. As you move from the more public spaces at the front toward the private ones in the back, light and vegetation accompany you every step of the way. Open-air vestibules and interior patios connect one space to another, blurring the boundaries between inside and outside. This subtle layering of light, air, and shade creates a constant dialogue between architecture and nature. At the center of it all lies the kitchen, the true heart of the home. More than just a cooking area, it acts as the social core, organizing both public and private zones around it. With its higher ceiling and direct connection to the terrace, this space allows hot air to escape efficiently, promoting natural cooling and making the house comfortable year-round, even under Mérida's tropical climate. Architecturally, the home plays with duality. From the outside, it's perceived as a closed, heavy monolith, solid and protective against the harsh sun. But inside, it opens up in a completely different way. Soft, calm, and breathable. Every opening is carefully positioned to frame specific views, directing your attention to patches of greenery, filtered light, or private courtyards that feel like personal oases. Materiality plays a key role in the home's identity. The architects chose a palette of neutral tones and raw finishes, local stone flooring, handcrafted plaster walls, and natural textures that celebrate imperfection. Over time, the house will age gracefully, revealing the traces of Merida's humid climate and intense sunlight without requiring complex maintenance. This honest use of materials roots the project deeply in its place and culture. Casa Oasis 93 is more than just a tropical home. It's a refined exercise in balance. It finds harmony between protection and openness, simplicity and warmth, modern precision and natural imperfection. In the heart of Yucatan, it stands as a reminder that great architecture doesn't just shelter. It breathes, adapts, and coexists beautifully with its environment.